Today I am starting about Kotlin. The first is what is Kotlin? Kotlin is a modern and statically typed programming language. What does statically typed mean? Kotlin is a statically typed language, which means that the data types of a variable like integer, string or boolean is checked at compile time, not while the program is running. This helps catch errors early. For example, if you declare a variable as an integer, you cannot assign a string to it. This makes programs more stable and reduces bugs. Now, Kotlin, Kotlin is developed by JetBrains. JetBrains has also created popular tools like Android Studio, IntelliJ IDEA, and PyCharm. Kotlin is designed to be easy to read, write, and safer to use compared to Java. Now the question is, why was Kotlin created? Java has been used for a long time, and while it is powerful, it requires writing a lot of code and has some limitations. That's why Kotlin was introduced to solve these problems by making code shorter, cleaner, and safer while keeping all the good parts of Java. Now, tell now I explain about features of Kotlin. Number one, works with Java. Kotlin and Java can work together in the same project. This makes it easy to switch from Java to Kotlin without rewriting everything. Number two, runs on JVM. Just like Java, Kotlin runs on the JVM, meaning it can use existing Java libraries and frameworks. Number three, supports multiple platforms. Kotlin is not just for Android apps. It can be used for Kotlin JVM, that is used for backend application and Android app. Kotlin JS, that is used for websites and web application. Kotlin native, that is used for apps for iOS, Windows, macOS and embedded systems. Number 4, shorter and cleaner. Kotlin removes unnecessary codes, making programs shorter and easier to understand compared to Java. Number 5, null safety. In Java, accessing a null value can cause a program to crash. But in Kotlin, prevents this by handling null values safely at compile time. Number 6, supports functional programming. Kotlin allows you to higher order function, lambda expression, and extension function, making code more efficient and flexible. Number 7, asynchronous programming with coroutines. Kotlin uses coroutines to handle background tasks like downloading files, making API calls, or processing large data without freezing the app. Number 8, official language for Android development. Google officially supports Kotlin for Android app development because it makes building apps faster and easier. Number 9, great tool support. Kotlin has strong support in Android Studio and JetBrains with many helpful tools and libraries. So, what's the conclusion? The conclusion is Kotlin is a powerful, modern, and easy to use programming language for Android, web, and backend development. It is designed to be conscious, safe, and highly efficient, make it one of the best choice for developers today. Now, what is the function? A function is a block of code that does a specific task. Let me show showing a syntax. Function. There is a function, and there is a function name. In the bracket, there is an input, then curly bracket open, and there is the under the under the curly bracket there is a code, and after that there is a return output. What is the meaning? The meaning is fun. This fun mean defines a function name, which is defined the name of function. Input defines the values passed to the function. The curly bracket defines the instruction inside of the function, and the return defines the gives back a result. So let me show an example. Let me show a code. Okay. See, there is a function main function. Every Kotlin program starts with the main function. In the curly bracket there is a println, and print what is the println? Println prints the text and moves to a new line. Println what prints the println? That it is hello world. It's a print. Now I have doing the run the code. See, the hello world is showing in the output. Okay. So what is the difference between println and print? Println take print text and moves to the new line, and print it is the print text without moving to a new line. Okay. Now coming to the variables and data types. What is a variable? A variable is like a box where we store data. Like example, in a game, your score changes. So we store it in a variable. And the next is your name stays the same, and we store it as fixed variable. So here I get two types of variable. The one is var, which can change, and other is val, which cannot change. Okay. Like example, var score is equal to 5. It can be changed. It can be updated. Okay. Val name is equal to John. It cannot be changed. The name it's not have to changed. Okay. So that's the mean is var is a mutable and val is a immutable. Var can be changed. Val cannot be changed. Now the coming point is data types.